Hey, hi, Rishad. How are you doing?
Hello, bro. I'm absolutely fine. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. So, firstly, can you introduce yourself to our audience?
Yeah. Hello, everyone. I'm Irshad Ahmed Khan. I'm currently pursuing my BTech in Computer Engineering from GMI New Delhi. I'm in my seventh semester of course.
Okay. So, you got placed in Wipro, right? So, do you
Yeah,
have
I got placed in I got placed in Wipro. They came to our campus in the month of August. They had a pre-placement talk,
okay.
and then an online test was scheduled on 7th of September.
The same day TR was happened, right?
Yeah, on 7th of September, the test happened. It was basically, it consists of few rounds, like it had verbal ability, quantitative ability, logical reasoning, and then we were given two questions on coding. And then we had an essay part where we had to write an essay in 400 words.
Okay.
So overall, the difficulty level of test was easy to medium. The questions were not that difficult. Like in reasoning, we were asked about age relationship questions, like someone if moves from a point 20 kilometers north, then south, then what will the distance from the starting point? And complete the series like 2, 5, 8, then what will the next number? Such types of questions were asked. So it was not that difficult.
Is it AMCAT based test?
Yeah, it was based on AMCAT platform.
Okay.
And then in the coding part we were asked two questions. We had to do them in about 1 hour. We were given 1 hour for two questions.
Okay. After this written test pattern is done, you will be called for the TR
Yeah,
and HR.
yeah,
So
yeah.
as it was an online, it was on campus one. So the interview was happened the same day.
No, it didn't happen in the same day. Like the test happened on 7th of September,
Okay.
but the results were announced on 14th of September. There was a 1 week gap between test and results.
Okay.
Now the interview was scheduled on 16th of September, like 2 days after the announcement of result.
Okay.
So on 16th of September we had both the rounds, TR as well as HR.
Okay.
Like in our college, what happened was in one single sitting, both the rounds were conducted. We were asked both kinds of question, and it was a long round, like 30-35 minutes.
As you rightly mentioned about the single TR and HR, what was your room experience and what were the questions were asked?
Yes, the experience was very good because the interviewer was very polite. He was, trying to hold my nerves and calm me. He was very friendly. Yeah. So the first question he asked me was to introduce myself.
Okay.
So I did it in around 2 minutes, and then he asked me about my projects. Like I mentioned two projects in my CV, and he asked me about that.
Okay.
And then he asked me in which field was I interested in. So I told him that I'm interested in programming in C++, and I'm also interested in operating systems.
Okay.
So then he started asking me about operating systems.
Okay.
First of all, he asked a basic definition of operating system, and then he asked about the functionalities and some basic definitions like what is deadlock. No, not very in-depth things. And then he also asked me about the difference between C and C++ because I talked about programming in C++. And then he asked me, why do we need multiple languages? Why not one language? Like there is C, C++, Java, Python. Why not only work with C?
Okay.
So I tried to explain him like every language has its own pros and cons, and like Python is easy to write and all that.
Okay.
And then he asked me what are the types of operating systems, and he asked me the difference between Linux and Windows.
Okay.
Yeah. So this was all about the technical round. These many questions were asked when it comes to technical part.
So is there is
And then
any HR questions?
yeah, and then he started asking HR questions.
Okay.
Like he asked me, what is one problem which you solved using your creativity?
Okay.
Yeah, so I answered him like about an incident in my college, and he was satisfied. He said, oh, good.
Okay.
And then he asked me, if you have a team member in your project whose thinking does not matches with your thinking, then how will you manage this situation?
Okay.
Yeah, so I tried to explain him, and he said, good.
Okay.
And then he asked me, mention one situation in your life where you adapted to something quickly, like in a short period of time. So I explained to him like, first of all, I was doing web development, then I moved on to machine learning in just few weeks, and he was very satisfied. And then at the last, he asked me about, are you willing to relocate? And then he said, do you have any questions? So I asked him two questions. Now, what many students do is they don't ask questions. Like when the interviewer says to them, they just are like, no, I don't need to ask any question. I just want to move away. They are so frightened. Now, this leaves a bad impression to the interviewer.
Yeah.
Like, because if we are asking questions, then the interviewer, first of all, understands that we are confident.
Yes.
Second thing is that he also gets to know that we are interested in his company. So we are asking about like what are the work culture there and something like that.
Yeah.
So we must ask questions. That's absolutely necessary.
Yes, it's a good point to note, audience. So after the completion of your TR round, please, if interviewer was asking you, is there is anything else, you can ask one or two questions regarding the work culture, domain, and all. This might create a good impression on you. Yeah, good point, Irshad. Yeah, so after this TR and HR, what is the time taken to get the confirmation mail that you got offer from
Yeah.
Wipro?
So yes, the TR and HR round were held on 16th of September, and the confirmation came to our college on 24th of September, like almost about after a week. From 16th September to 24th September, it was announced that these number of students have been selected.
Oh.
Yeah.
So and what role you got selected for?
Yeah, I got selected for the role of project engineer.
So
Yeah.
yeah, let's say if I were a student and I was planning for to clear the written test. So what were the
Yeah.
strategies that you have used to crack this written test and the TR?
Yeah. So for clearing written test, we need to make our aptitude part strong. And for that, we have a website known as indiabix.com where we can practice lots of questions. And with practice, we improve.
Yeah.
And it makes us, it makes things easy for us. Practice is necessary. And then for coding part, we need to know the basics of programming. That is absolutely necessary. Like loops, arrays, strings, functions. These are 100% necessary because without them, we can't get into this industry. Yeah, and as far as the interview part is concerned, then uh, we must improve our communication skills, and then we must also try to know about previous interview experiences of people. And for that, we have good resources like yours channel. It was very helpful for me.
Yeah.
It was beneficial. I saw many videos, and I got an idea about what I would be facing. So this needs to be done. Yes, sir.
Okay. Finally, yeah, we are into this interview picture. Yeah, before we leave, let's say if I were a fresher who was planning to step into Wipro, what were the suggestions would you suggest?
Yes, sir. Wipro takes students from many backgrounds, like whether you are from CS, IT, mechanical, civil, in whatever branch you are, they can still hire and train you. So if you are from CS background, then they expect that you must be knowing programming and also some subjects like operating system, database management system, computer networks. Yeah. So you must know the basic idea of these subjects. You don't need to go into depth, but you must know the definitions, like what do they stand for. And if you are not from CS background, if you're from mechanical or civil or electrical or any other background, then at least you must know the basics of programming. Any one language, whether it be C, C++, that is absolutely important. You must know at least one language.
That's it, guys. Thank you, Chet, for sharing your experience. This experience will definitely help many people who are planning for Wipro. Thank you once again.